In this video, I am going to teach you that how you can install the ANSYS 2024 release 2 professional version. In my other video, I explained the procedure to install student version. Okay, so there's difference in the solution, so I will explain that. So first of all, we will go to our folder where I have stored my ANSYS installation media. Okay, so first step is that like you will get the files in this form, whatever method you have used to download the installation medium from the ANSYS website through some channel partner or whatever method you used. Okay, so the disk number 1, right click here and simply click on the mount. Okay, then click on the back symbol and go back to the original folder and right click on second disk and again click on the mount. And similarly for third disk, you have to mount that one as well. And you will see that we have now 3 new drives appear in this PC. Okay, so just leave it for the time being. Then before I go further, first thing is that I will be going to the Windows Defender. Okay, so Windows Security. And this step is very much important. Without this step, you will not be able to install the ANSYS. Okay, so go to the virus and threat protection, and then you have to go to the manage settings. From virus and threat protection settings, click here. Then you have to go to exclusions and click on the add or remove exclusion. So there are many options that you can use in the exclusion. So we will use the a folder option. So add a folder, and the first thing that I will do is that I will be putting my complete software folder into exclusion, so that the no file will be deleted mistakenly by the Windows Defender or any other antivirus. Okay, so right now my antivirus is built-in Windows Security antivirus system. It's a Bitdefender. So for second folder, this is the ANSYS folder on the C drive. I will come back after installing the license manager. Okay. So now you will go, if you go to the into the this folder, you will see there is a file readme. So you have to install first ANSYS license manager. Okay. For that, I will go to the drive number G on my computer, and your computer it can be a different one. So double click here on setup, and you have to install the ANSYS license manager. Okay. And if you have already installed the license manager for any other version or for this version also, because on my computer I already installed the 2024, so this will actually stop the license manager and override that one. But if this is the old one, then it will install the new one as well. So click on install ANSYS license manager. Okay, next, 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 and next. That's all. Okay, now it is requiring that you provide the second installation media. So that can be the a next one. This on my computer is the H and the J. Sometimes this can be the H and I or any other letter. Okay, so you have to browse, and definitely first one you already installed from the ANSYS license manager. So definitely you will go for the next two. Okay, so first try the H, and if it does not work, it will ask you to provide the next one. Okay. Okay, it cannot go to the H, so I will now give the third one. It is working now. So this is the way. Okay. And enter the installation directory number 3. Okay, now I will be giving the G. Okay, next one is the H. So sometimes this may make some issues. Okay, so you have to be very patient and give the among 3. Okay, from the 3 options of G, H, and J. In your computer, this can be the different one. Okay, now installation is complete, so click on next and exit. Okay, so now we will not be running the ANSYS license manager, so I will stop this one. Okay, and close. Okay, stop and then close. Okay, before we go further, the next step, that is most important step, is that now again you will use the option in the Windows security, and again I didn't close the security tab, so you have to again click on add an exclusion, and again the folder, but this time you have to exclude the your ANSYS folder. So from program files you have to go to ANSYS and simply click on the select. So what does it mean? It means that whatever files we copy them inside those folders will not be scanned by your antivirus. Okay, they will be excluded. So what happens actually is that sometimes the antivirus, especially the Windows Bitdefender, they assumes that these files are actually the viruses. Okay, and they will delete them. So if you exclude them, they will not actually approach to those files, and those files will not be deleted. So this is a very important step. Okay, after that, I will go to the on the ANSYS license manager settings, and if you cannot access that one, it is closed. Then you can access by clicking the first few letters like ANSYS. So you will see the first option, ANSYS License Management Center. So click here. And the first thing you have to see is the get system host ID information. Okay. So copy the MAC address, copy, and you have to go to your main important folder here. Okay, here, and double click on license file, and whatever is written with the X symbol. So select them, right click on there, and paste with your MAC address. Okay, and now make the a file menu and then save as, and go to C folder, program files, and ANSYS folder. Save here, because I already installed the ANSYS license, ANSYS software on my computer, so this file already exists here. So just replace. Okay. Okay. Now the next steps are here given here. So we have to now go to the license management center, and you have to add a license file. Okay, and look for your license file. Once you open it, if you didn't install already, because I already installed the license file, that's why it is saying that this is identical to the current license file. But if not, then it will give you option to install a license file. So click on there. Okay, click on there very must, and then it will install the license file, and it will give you message. Then you have to go to the view status, start, stop, license manager, and click on the start. Okay, make sure that the license process is running here. Okay, then simply close. And as per, so right now we are done with the step number up to step number 8. So now we have to install the ANSYS products. Okay. And for that I will go back to my first disk here, that is like a virtual disk, and double click on setup. And this time click on install ANSYS products. And please follow the steps as I am telling you in a very rigorous way, as I am saying. Otherwise, you may not be able to install the ANSYS correctly. Okay. Then click on the next. My working directory is this one. If you want to install some other drive, you can change from here. So then after that, click on the next. I don't install the a discovery. Okay. I don't require that one. You can uncheck the options like optical. Okay. In the structures, this I think already installed. That's why it's gray option. Otherwise, it will give you option to unselect them. So right now the blue ones I can actually unselect. Okay. So iSpec I don't want. Okay. So actually, because I already installed my ANSYS, that's why it is showing you the 0 MB. Otherwise, it should be giving you some MBs there, some GBs. most probably like a 20 GB like that. Okay, so let's install the one app here. Okay, next. I don't want to install the CAD geometry interfaces right now. I will manually set them up. So you have to say select the no script configuration. I will configure later, and click on next and next. Okay, it will install the ANSYS. It will take 20-30 minutes, and meanwhile it may require to insert the different drive, like maybe H, maybe J, and again maybe G. Okay, and these drive names will be different on your computer. Okay, maybe or may not be different on your computer, so be careful. Okay, so now it requires second disk, so go to the next one is the H. Click and select folder and click on OK. If not, then go for next one, that is the drive J. On my computer, it can be different on your computer. Okay, and then again the G one, click on OK. Okay, now give the another one. So this from among three, one will work. Okay, definitely one will work. Okay, so now the solution is complete 100%. So click on next and exit. Okay, so the next step is that you have to again open the license installation procedure readme file. So you have to create an environment variable. So I will type in the search bar the EIENV, and the basic command that I want to use is the system and environment variables. So this will give you option here directly, or you can access that one from the control panel as well. Okay, then I will click on the environment variables, and you have to create the user variable and also system variables. So click on new. I already have that variable here, but the procedure is that you have to copy before the is equal to sign. Okay, put here, and then the next value, the value is the 1005 at the local host. So copy that one in the variable value and click on OK. Okay, similarly you have to copy the variable value and the command, that is the ANSYS license file, and paste here. So same procedure for both variables, user variable and system variable. Okay, so I already have this variable here with in my computer. So click on OK and exit, but you have to put there. Okay, then we have to run the SolidSCORT loader enabler. So that is inside the that main folder. Okay, this is over here. So double click here, and this will just modify the registry entries. So this will actually install the ANSYS in a proper way, and you know what I mean. Okay, so because of the policies of the YouTube, I cannot say everything in a very open way. Okay, so you must understand what I'm saying. Okay, then you have to original ANSYS INC folder with this folder. Okay, so I will go to the ANSYS INC folder. So this folder contains these two working directories. So I will copy them. Second way is that you can directly copy the ANSYS INC folder. Okay, but for that you have to paste them directly inside the program files. But here, because I copied inside contents, I will go into ANSYS INC folder, right click here and paste. So because already I have these folders, but again for just showing you that the procedure, I am again actually overwriting these I'm just overwriting these folders with the new ones. Okay. Okay, so this is also done. Then you have to reboot. After that, you have to go to ANSYS license client settings after rebooting. So I will go there, and that is inside your ANSYS folder. Okay, from the apps, start menu apps, click here, and it's the ANSYS license settings. Okay, because this is my server, this is my own computer, this is not a client license, so that's why I'm going to use the main license setting. This is actually my computer is a server also. Okay, so click here. The procedure is this one. So license servers, it should be working, okay, and enable should be enabled, and here is the disabled, okay, and click on test, and the value should be 1005 localhost, and green tick should appear here, okay. The second thing is that you have to click on the license server service priority and make sure that the FlexNet publisher is on the top, okay. If not, then you can like take it in this way, okay. So it should be on the top. Next thing is that HPC, that is the high performance computing priority. So again, I will tell you that which one should be there. So ANSYS HPC pack should be on the top. If not, then take it top and like this. Okay. So once this is done, I will check if the license was installed correctly and the ANSYS was installed correctly. I have the very few quick checks. Number one is that I will open the ICM CFD, because ICM CFD is a part of the ANSYS professional, so this should be there. And it's not available in the student version, okay? So this should open without any problems, no license problem. This is the one of the quickest way to check that the license is working or not, and secondly, the software was installed properly or not. So close this one, open the Fluent. Fluent also is a very quick to check the license problems and the installation problems. Click on start. And third one that I will check is the workbench. So if there is some problem, the workbench will also will not give you all the options. So workbench also you can check. So these are three quick checks that I quickly make. So workbench will not give you the, like in the tree outline, there will be limited software installed if the software was not installed correctly, a license server was not installed correctly. So you can see that the now Fluent is working fine. There is no license problem. Okay, so everything is all right. So you can close. And the last thing is your workbench. So workbench should show you all the apps, whatever you installed, like CFD apps. There is a like iSpec. So these should show on your screen. Otherwise, the software installation problem is there. So you can see that every app is available here, is present here. So workbench also working fine. So it means that we installed the ANSYS software along with the license correctly. Okay. So I hope that you will enjoy and also enjoy the latest version of the ANSYS. Thank you very much.